I need to stop doing this because it squeaks a lot and it sounds like a guillotine or something. Welcome back, everyone, to my channel. I'm so glad you've returned. That means you've liked something on this channel. That's great. I hope you like this one too. I'm going to talk a bit about stress relief because everyone is stressed out all the time. And it's not fun being stressed out because then you get into the cycle of being stressed out about being stressed out, and that's the worst. So I'm going to kind of just go over some of the things that have helped me relieve some stress, even just a tiny little bit. A nice lotion. So simple. But having a nice fun lotion. This is Honolulu Sun from Bath & Body Works. It smells like vacation in heaven. It smells wonderful. I love tropical scents. Another thing is candles, which I'm obsessed with. This is one of my many candles. I'm a candle vlogger now. No. I do have a candle obsession. My strange addiction, just having a bunch of candles. This one, I don't know where it's from, but it's really nice. It smells like green tea and lime, and I have a bunch of different really relaxing scents. Most of them are tropical. As you can see by my shirt, I just like existing as though I live on an eternal beach, even though right now I'm in Ohio. At least it's summer, so I'm halfway there. But green tea and lime, very relaxing. Green tea is a great scent. Green tea is a great thing to drink. That's another stress reliever. Green tea. But here it is in a candle if you don't want to drink it. But find, again, just like that lotion, find that scent that's really relaxing. And just, you know, take a moment, even if you don't light the candle, just take a moment and inhale and exhale that wonderful that wonderful scent that relaxes you and calms you. Even that just one deep breath just centers you a bit more. Candles, good for burning and for sniffing. That should be their motto. Bath bombs. Everyone knows what a bath bomb is at this point in time, and if you don't, you live under a rock. Bath bombs are cool. I got this one from Bath & Body Works. Apparently I really like Bath & Body Works. I do actually really like Bath & Body Works. But it is so tempting when I go in there because they have so many candles. But this is a specific stress relief bath bomb, if you can see. There we go. Stress relief bath bomb. So it has eucalyptus and spearmint. So you can take a bath and relax, and it's specifically designed to relax you. It kind of smells like bad cologne a bit, but in a good way, you know? Like really strong cologne that you hate, but you kind of like it secretly, but you would never admit it because everyone thinks it's really annoying. Like the cologne smell. It's nice. I like it. Bath bombs. Baths. Great. Bubble baths. Amazing. Baths on their own. Cool. Hot water. Sit in it. Epsom salts. Lifesavers. Love it. Eye masks. So simple. $4 at CVS. You pop it in your fridge. Some of them, you can pop them in your freezer. This one is not freezer safe. Some of them are. This was $4 at CVS. I put it on my face at night to fall asleep, and it is the best thing ever. These little beads in there, great to play with. So it works as both something cold to put on your face to relieve all that tension in your face, but also a great kind of fidget toy to play with while it's on your face. I like to squish it in while it's on my face. But yeah, $4 at CVS. If you can find some cheaper somewhere else, you probably can. The dollar store might have something like this at this point. They're great. You just pop it in the fridge in the morning, and by the time you get home from work or from class or from wherever, you just pop it on your face, and it's just like you feel all your stress just like getting away from here. Also, I get migraines like all the time, a lot of headaches. This is great for headaches because I don't know, like if you have a headache, if you're used to like putting a washcloth on your forehead, but like that slips off and you have to go and where you cool it off every once in a while. This is great. You put it on your eyes, or sometimes I'll just put it up on my head like this if I have a headache, and it's great. It just kind of stays on your head. You can adjust the strap so it's not too tight so it's not squishing your brains when they already hurt. But it's great, multi-purpose. You can also heat it up. You can't put it in the microwave. Some of them you can put in the microwave. This one that I got at CVS for $4, you cannot put it in the microwave. You can run it under hot water, so if you want warm, that's nice. Making this cool and then sitting in a nice hot bath is an experience that I recommend for everyone who has a bathtub. Planners. Such a simple thing. You're probably like, Emma, I'm not an idiot. I know what a planner is. That's cool. I just wanted to tell you about planners because I love them. You know, they're everyone's least favorite thing to buy at the school sale, like the school supplies sale in middle school, because you're like, why do I have to have this planner? And your teacher's list all requires planners, and you're like, why do I need this? I'm never going to do my homework anyway. You know the feeling. But especially in college, God, you need a planner because you have classes that are on different days all the time. Not different days of the week, but you know, like Mondays, Tuesdays, you're going to different classes. Homework, but also just like life. This is my, if you can see, my layout for summer. Like, I am not going to class, but I still have all this stuff to do. So it helps you keep track of, you know, your life, but also, you know, just stuff you're doing. You know, if you're taking a bus or you have interviews or you have work, you know, you can just put it in there and you just feel like you're a little bit more in control of your life. I got this one at Target for like more than I should have paid for a planner. I think it was like $9. But I really like this brand, and it's Blue Sky. Sponsored by Blue Sky, not really. But you know, you can pick up a planner anywhere. This one is for a year, and what's so nice is it has these little tabs for each month, so you can flip to it easily. And then it has a calendar for the whole month, and then it has individual dates, so you can plan all your planning plans and all your planning needs all in one place. Planners, not just for middle school school supply sales. Get a planner today. You know, everyone has their own way to release stress, but try to find healthy ways to do that. I don't do yoga because I don't want to, but some people find that yoga is helpful. Exercising also is a stress reliever for some people. I exercised for a while because I had a gym in my apartment building, and I just kind of felt like I had to because, you know, I was paying rent. And that was really great. Didn't have really much time to continue doing that, but when I was doing it and I was exercising every other day, yeah, that definitely, it just lets off some steam that like relaxing doesn't quite release for you. So yeah, try out different things. Try out exercising, you know, eating healthy or whatever, like a smoothie maybe. You know, it just kind of makes you feel like you have your life in control when you make a smoothie. I don't know, it's just something about like wearing workout clothes, like leggings, and then drinking a smoothie that just makes me feel like I'm some like middle-aged mother with like a child named Basil or something, and I have a wealthy husband, and like my life is so good. All that from a smoothie and some workout clothes. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and I feel like in society, even today, we neglect our mental health in favor of work, school, or other responsibilities, but always take time, even if it's just a few seconds of, you know, wearing the face mask at night, or taking that bath with the bath bomb, or lighting that candle for just a few seconds. Even those few seconds just make such a difference in your life outlook and how you feel about your day today and how you will feel about your day tomorrow. Mental health, so important. Always put it in your day. Stay happy and healthy out there. Again, if you have any comments, have anything to add, you know, any stress relief things that you've used, let me know in the comments. That'd be totally cool. But if you liked this video, please like and subscribe down below. Until next time, goodbye. $4 at CVS. This was $4 at CVS. $4 at CVS when I got at CVS for $4. $4 at CVS. Bath and Body Works. From Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. Love tropical candles. Candle obsession. A bunch of candles. It isn't a candle. Candles. So many candles.